Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.